Hey guys, welcome to Rio Palace Costa Mujeres. We stay at a garden view room at this Cancun resort. In this video, we'll give you a tour of the room and some tidbits of useful info. By the way, here's a heads up for this resort that we discovered at check-in. They do not exchange money from or to US dollars, nor will they break larger bills for tipping purposes. We had to ask bartenders at this resort as well as the neighboring Rio Dunamore resort to break $20 bills into single dollars. And remember to book your COVID tests during check-in if this is your only or last resort you are staying at before returning to the States. Here is a sample of what the courtyard garden looks like. I will show you more of the garden view later in the video as seen from our hotel room. After check-in, when the room is ready, the bellboy will bring your luggage to your room. And now, let's start the tour. The room keycard needs to be inserted into the slot near the door so that lights will turn on and power plugs will work. It's not our favorite system, but it helps conserve power, and we experienced it before on some of the newer NCL cruise ships. The bathtub is out in the open, so don't expect privacy from others staying in the room while taking a bath. The sink is not very deep, pretty shallow. That was just on their counter.
It's like right here.
Yeah.
Open it.
Oh, okay.
The shower cap. And look, sewing set, which is really cool. And then a comb.
You don't have to bring a comb.
Yeah. Look at that's pretty neat.
Yeah. It's a nice touch.
I
Some
know.
extras.
That's very thoughtful actually.
Yeah. We have a hand sanitizer. Safe. The ropes and an ironing board behind it. Here's the minibar. Okay. A few soft drinks. Pepsi, 7-Up, Canada Dry, Canada Dry. Dos Equis Lager Special. Turn on lights. drawers. Floor is kind of like a wood floor, and I converted the sofa bed out, which is nice. Made the bed, desk, little side table here. Let's step on out here first. Undo that latch. Now you can open this. It's a rack for drying clothes on the balcony. Here. And that concludes the tour. Coming up, take a look at Ryu's room service menu for this resort. Also see the location and the room number of this particular Garden View Junior Suite. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment or ask questions and we'd be happy to reply. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again, and we'll see you in another video.